Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add session breaks in Tradingview. This is a great way to visually separate trading sessions and better understand market activity. On the Tradingview dashboard, to add session breaks, all we have to do is double-click the area where we want to add them. Then we just need to click on Events in the settings. Now we can see our session breaks. We just check this option and choose which color we want. For example, let's pick a bright color like purple. We can now see the broken purple lines. These are our session breaks. We can also adjust the position of the breaks depending on whether we want 1 or 2 session breaks. We can set this based on our preferences. And that's how we add session breaks in Tradingview. With this simple feature, we can make our charts clearer and improve our analysis.